Hi, today I'm talking about what is SAP Integration Suite. Okay, the SAP Integration Suite is running on the SAP BTP, the Business Technology Platform. It covers all kinds of integration topics and landscapes. As part of BTP, the suite enables you to have full end-to-end processes across all lines of businesses, partners and non-SAP applications. Doing your daily work, you have around you SAP and non-SAP applications which are running in the cloud or, for example, which are installed on-premise. And with the Integration Suite, you are able to connect all these different solutions to have the full end-to-end experience. But why do we need an SAP Integration Suite? First, we want to integrate without losing the business context. Companies need to offer their customers, partners and employees personalized digital experience to have a better work experience. To achieve this, access to the context contained in the applications is required. The SAP Integration Suite automatically provides this context by directly accessing SAP business objects, for example, product, customer or order, via the SAP One domain model and the SAP API Business Hub. Automatization. Anyone can now automate with the SAP Integration Suite. Organizations have most of the time limited budgets and resources for business process integration. The SAP Integration Suite offers a comprehensive AI-powered cloud integration capabilities with pre-built integrations for SAP and third-party connectors that enable organizations to securely expand the integration capabilities. But what's about my trading partners? To improve your supply chain management, companies can moving from manually, costly and non-scalable direct integrations, for example EDI, to automatic and dynamic connections with ecosystem partners. The SAP Integration Suite provides AI-driven capabilities to create and manage partner-specific integrations for seamlessly transactions. I hope you gained some first impressions about the SAP Integration Suite. Thank you for watching and see you next time. Bye.